Ooh, stretching out very nicely. You can see the fibers all starting to move in one direction. Let's get this stuff off. 10 degrees, push, pull, push, pull. Should do it. Put my hands underneath the dough, pull, and I should start balling it up. Same thing, 90 degrees. And what we'll do, today I'm just going to use a bit of olive oil. Just get a nice layer of oil on that, and it'll prevent it from drying out. Place it back in the bowl. Gonna put a tea towel over that. We will leave that for 3 hours.
Meanwhile,
Now, as I had depleting this was pretty full. So I'm going to add a bit more back in there. Set to 0. Grab a chopstick. Use a metal chopstick because it won't snap easily. Let's talk about this sourdough culture. Some people call this a mother, and I will teach you how to make this at my next video. What we need to do is we need to measure how much is in here at the moment with my culture, and we do this by knowing how much weight of this jar is. We weigh this whole thing and then do the math, and then we need to double it. So no matter what's inside there, the weight in grams, we double it with water and flour. I generally have more than 50 grams left after I have poured out my knead, and then I would just put 50 grams of both water and flour, and then I would then stick it in the fridge until it chill until the next time I need it.
3 hours later.
Ball. The idea is to have a nice tight skin. That nice smooth skin. I've got 1, 2 different types of pot for baking in. Nice old tea towels, clean across, put that in, dust it generously because I don't want it to stick when it's done before. Then you dust the top of it, which would fold over. And we set that aside. Gotta wait until 3 hours.
3 hours later.
I'm gonna use my bottom oven. Max out over 220, 230 or something like that.
Meanwhile.
Now for the final preparation, take sleeping beauties out. Look at that, it's not sticking. Feel it sort of softish, so starts to want to melt into your hands when you hold it too long. If it melts too fast, it's been overproofed. Once you've done this, you need to score it. So what I have been using a blade, a very nice sharp razor blade. So it doesn't have to be too big, it just has to be a nice clean sharp cut. About that. If it goes too far off the edges, it doesn't seem to be able to expand up and crack it open. Now the oven's at max temperature, I can put these in.
Two. 25 minutes later.
Right. Nicely puffed up. And just set for another 25 minutes so it gets that nice browning crispiness.
25 minutes later.
Crackling. This is the best sound